Welcome to a quick FortiWeb overview of how to use scripts in content routing policies to address complicated routing requirements. Before we begin, let's review some use cases. In this scenario, the customer has 3 physical servers with IP addresses 22, 23, and 24. They plan to implement different forwarding logic based on the HTTP request URL. In this example, we will use scripts in a content routing policies to achieve this goal. To start, navigate to the server objects, server and server pool. Within the server pool, edit the configuration and enter the IP/domain or external connector. In this section, we will create HTTP content routing policies by navigating to server objects, server, HTTP content routing. Click Create New, enter the name Server Pool, and then click OK. In this step, we'll create a Lua script that includes the content routing forward logic. Navigate to the Application Delivery section, then go to Scripting and select the content routing example. Make the necessary adjustments to the script and click OK to save. On this next step, let's create a server policy and reference the HTTP content routing policy. Navigate to Policy, Server Policy, and edit the policy. On the HTTP content routing policy, select the content policy name, then navigate to the scripting, enable the scripting option, and select the scripting list and click OK. To verify that requests matching a specific content routing policy are directed to the appropriate physical server, see the following debug configuration below. This request matches CR1 forward to server 22. This request matches CR2 forward to server 23. Another verification on the requests matching specific content routing policy are forwarded to the target physical server, which request does not match CR1 or CR2 forward to server 24.